At Healthy Smile Pharmacy, we trust Dentaid's innovation to care for and protect tooth enamel with nano repair technology. Based on hydroxyapatite nanoparticles, a natural element in teeth, it guarantees complete integration with tooth enamel. Its unique properties restore teeth's natural whiteness while helping protect enamel and repair sensitivity. Many whitening toothpastes are highly abrasive and, over time, can wear away tooth enamel. Plaque bacteria attach more easily to worn or damaged enamel. The bacteria produce acids that demineralize the natural enamel armor, weakening it further. This risks decay as enamel erodes towards the softer, inner part of our tooth. Hydroxyapatite nanoparticles in VITIS Whitening products form deposits on tooth enamel, remineralizing its surface, covering the darker dentine below. They also form a protective coat, resistant to the erosion caused by dietary acid attack. In this way, they prevent sensitivity and allow for a natural white tone. Dentaid technology nano repair is a true revolution for your oral health. Dentaid, the trusted whitening innovators at Healthy Smile Pharmacy.